this fast-paced world, sometimes you just have to stop and take time to cook a nice, good meal. With this one-pan chicken recipe, it's gonna make your life a little bit easier. Welcome back, everybody. Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. I'm really happy to share this recipe with you guys. It's the one-pan chicken dinner with some rice. I'm gonna throw in some vegetables. It's gonna be really, really good. And honestly, nowadays, with everybody running around, time is of the essence. We really don't have enough time in the day because we're busy working and doing stuff. So this recipe, this dinner or lunch, whatever you want to have it for, is going to be awesome. So this is one thing you can put in the pan, let it cook in the oven, and you could go about doing whatever you want to do. Without further ado, let's get started. This recipe is going to consist of chicken thighs. I have 4 of them ready to go. I've washed them with a little bit of vinegar just to get all the excess yickety stuff off. And the marinating goes like this. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. I'm going to turn it around. Another pinch of salt and another pinch of black pepper. To this, we add a teaspoon of garlic. It's so cold out here. The garlic powder froze. There we go. So that's a teaspoon of garlic. Teaspoon of chili powder goes in. And that's pretty much it. A little bit of olive oil, mix. We'll set it aside for a couple minutes. While the chicken's marinating, I have the cast iron skillet hot already, ready to go. We'll go ahead and chop it into little cubes. Just dice it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. it's not a 5-star restaurant here. We're just cooking at home. That's it. Grab yourself some olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yalla, let's go. Now we'll add our onions and give it a mix. Have you ever cooked a one-pan dinner?
No, I barely.
Everything in one pan, cook it?
No, I barely cook.
Good, there you go. Well,
I'm trying to learn to cook more.
With all these videos that we're doing, you should have picked up a lot of techniques by now.
Yeah, I've learned a lot.
That's good.
I'm learning from you a lot.
Very good. Older brother teaches the younger brother, right? Quarter stick of butter goes in.
You finally admit that you're the older brother?
Well, I have no choice. All that white hair gives everything away. I have about half a clove of garlic. Let's go ahead and add that. Now with this recipe, you could literally add whatever you'd like. I choose to add a little bit of the green beans. We're going to add some portobello mushrooms and some carrot and some peas. Why do these peas look like they came out of the snow, bro? I know they're frozen, but they should have thawed out by now. Now the chicken goes in. Skin down, always. Look at this chicken, bro. This was 1 pack of chicken right here. Look at this thigh and look at that thigh. Well, what went wrong here? I don't get it with these chickens nowadays. Have you seen the chicken breast in some stores? It's like the size of my head, bro. What do we, it's not funny. All right, I'm going to share a little technique for you guys. If you want the chicken to cook a little bit faster, what you want to do is put some slits in there, just like that. And what it does is it gives a little room for the heat to penetrate and start cooking it from the inside of the chicken thigh. It's just going to go a little bit faster. All right, so we're going to caramelize the onions. We're going to caramelize the skin on this, and then we'll go ahead and flip it over and let it cook about halfway through. I'll preheat the oven to about 375 degrees so we can have it ready and throw it in the oven and let it cook the rest of the time in the oven. To this, I like to add some Serrano. I'm going to throw in some Serrano. I'm going to throw in some of the green beans. The mushrooms go in. And these mushrooms will cook down. To this, we're going to add our frozen peas and carrots. About half a cup. And now we'll cover. All right, so I have this covered for about 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, perfect. Now, I have 1 cup of rice. Use the rice of your choice. This one is Jasmine. Hot tomato sauce, which is a Spanish tomato sauce. We're going to cover this thing up with the chicken broth.
The whole thing?
No. About half. Give it a little mix. Put all the rice in there. Why are you looking at me all weird?
I'm not.
You know I'm going to add more butter. Another quarter stick. Why? Just because.
Just because.
We're going to cover this up with foil, and it's going to go straight into the oven, 375 degrees. We're going to time it for about 40 minutes. Until then, make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, guys. We are back. So 45 minutes into it, not 40, 380 degree temperature on the oven, and voila. Wow, that's what we have. Look at that, bro. How beautiful is that? Beauty. 1 pan chicken and rice dinner. How beautiful is that, guys? Look some, huh?
Can you dig in yet so I can start
Oh
eating?
man, I don't know. All right, we're gonna dig in. Look at the mushrooms, the green beans, Serrano. Look at that. That's money right there.
Looks good.
It's gonna be hot, bro.
You can do it.
I can do it, bro. I'm gonna burn. Don't laugh. Don't laugh, guys. Not funny. Ka-ching, bro.
Yeah?
Oh my God, that's money.
What about the chicken?
Ooh, let's do the chicken. Let's get this chicken. Beautiful. Oh. Oh. Woo. Holy chicken. All right, so now that I've burned my palate and I really can't taste anything anymore, that's an awesome, amazing dish, guys. You guys should really, really try that out. It's really simple. Total cook time in the oven, like I said, was about 45 minutes. Altogether, all in all, about an hour, hour and 10 minutes. But believe me, it's going to save you guys so much time and you're going to have a delicious meal at the end of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sean, Garlic and Butter Guy. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at Garlic and Butter Guy. And also, don't forget to ringle dingle that bell.